Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Confirm you have an active Google account, two-factor authentication on, and a recovery email or phone. Now open your device settings, then choose Google or Accounts. This is where backup settings live. Once done, tap Backup or Backup by Google One. This starts the first actionable step. You do this because backups sync data across devices and prevent loss. Make sure to use a stable connection. Otherwise, initial upload can fail or stall. You now pick exactly what to protect. Apps, contacts, photos, SMS, and call logs. Choose selectively to save space. Tap Account to set the backup destination. Using a dedicated backup account separates daily use from long-term archives. Once selected, enable automatic backup frequency and include device settings and app data so restores are complete. You do this because targeted backups reduce storage use and speed restores, and a separate account adds security and clarity when troubleshooting. You finish by running a manual backup to verify everything uploads. Watch the timestamp and size to confirm completeness. Then check Google Drive or Google One Storage Overview to ensure the snapshot is present. Once done, make sure backups are scheduled automatically so future restores are seamless. If something goes wrong, re-authenticate your account, free up storage, and retry. Sometimes clearing cache for Google services fixes stuck uploads. This final check prevents surprises when you need a restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.